Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, the Android version, model, and any pending system updates. Once done, open Settings and enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times so you can access advanced controls. Make sure to turn on USB debugging and choose a reliable USB connection mode. This allows tools and the setup assistant to communicate. Also plug in a good cable and, if possible, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. So downloads, you now dig into the setup process itself by finding the Setup or Setup Wizard app in Settings under Apps. Select Show System Apps first so it appears. Once visible, force stop the app, clear cache, and clear storage to remove corrupted state. This resets the onboarding flow. After that, reboot the device to let services restart cleanly. When the phone comes back, watch the notification shade and lock screen for fresh Android setup prompts. These steps force a clean retry of the notification flow. You finish by running setup again and carefully accepting required permissions so the notification can deliver and complete account linking. If the notification still fails, update Google Play services and Google app from the Play Store or sideload their latest compatible APK. These often resolve background notification delivery issues. Make sure to test in normal mode first. If problems persist, boot to safe mode to rule out third-party interference, and consider a factory reset only as a last resort after backing up data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.